In this tutorial, we are building a journey to add Start Gmail emails attachment to Google Drive. So let's start. Select Gmail as a trigger, then choose Get Email as trigger event. Now click on the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the label. In this case, choose Start. Now in steps, we have to upload a file via Google Drive. Select Google Drive. Next, choose Uploaded File Base64 Encoded File Content as an action. Now choose an existing connection again and link an account. Now add file content, name and other specifications from Get Email at Data Tree. Add a parent folder. We are ready with our journey. Save changes and start journey. Now let's check the output. Let's go to Gmail and compose an email with attachment. Next, let's go to our journey to check the journey execution. Yes, the journey is executed successfully. Now let's go to Google Drive. We can see attachment in Google Drive. So in this way, we can create an automation journey where we can save new attachments from Start emails in Gmail to Google Drive. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.com.